So there are 495 coins in a bottle. A third of the coins are £1. 124 of the coins are 50p's and the rest are 20p's. Work out the total value. Okay, calculator time. It says 1/3 of the coins. So 493 divided by 3, because that's 1/3, isn't it? So what I do, and don't forget, it's a calculator exam, so you're allowed to use your calculator. So I know that's 165 coins, but each of them, they're pound coins as well. So I know that means it's £165 there. It says 124 are 50p coins. So I'm put it into pounds. I'll times that by that. So 124 times 0.5 equals 62. So that's £62. Now I know the rest of 20p coins. I've used 165 there and 124 there. So if I add those together, and again, use a calculator if you want. So now I need to take that away from that. So on my calculator, even if I'm very good at number work, I'd still use my calculator and I'd show my workings out, because you get method marks. So now 206 are 20p. So 206 times 0.2 tells me that it's £41.20. So £41.20. Now I'm going to add all that together. Okay, so on my little calculator, plus the 62 plus the 165. And that comes to a grand total of £268.20. That's how you do that one. Let's look at question 7. It says here, the probability that a new fridge has a fault is 0.015. What's the probability a new fridge does not have a fault? Well, there's only two choices. It does or it doesn't. It does or it doesn't. And remember, in probability, it goes from 0 to 1. So if the probability as a fault is there, if that's the probability it has a fault, which is 0.015, then the rest of this must be that it doesn't. So it's simply 1 minus that. And again, on my calculator, I do 1 minus 0.015 equals. Press S to D. And that's how I'd leave the answer, because that's how they put the question. Now question 8, quite a lot of stuff going on in here. List of numbers. From the numbers in the list, write down a square number. Remember, a square number is a number that if you two numbers multiply, or a number multiplied by itself produces a square. So 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, etc. So I can see here 25 is a square number. It also says here, from the numbers in the list, write down a number that is a multiple of both 4 and 6. So if it's a multiple of 4 and 6, it's got to be in the 4 times table. Okay. And it's got to be in the 6 times table. So I can see 12 is there, but 12 isn't up here. So 24. Ah, there you go, 24. And of course I can use my calculator as well if I get muddled. That can help as well. And then lastly, write down all the prime numbers in the list. Now the prime number only has 2 factors, 1 in itself. So 21 is 1 times 20. They all could be 1 times itself, but that could also be 3 times 3 times 7. That's an even, and only 2 is the even prime number. 23, well, that is one of them. Evens, get rid of the evens. Boom, boom, boom. 25, we already know is 5 times 5, so it doesn't work. 27, 2 plus 7 is 9, so therefore 9 will go into that, no good. And 29, they're the 2 numbers.